Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy M21, for the first we have to go for the Play Store and get the application, the name CLONEit. Click on the install and of course do the same on the second smartphone. Right now we have to wait for our Samsung. Click on the open, and right now tap on the allow. Click sender on Android smartphone, tap on the set, turn the location and just go back and click sender once again. Here we have to tap on the receiver, click allow, tap set, and right here we have to also turn on the location. Let's go back, and as you can see we are in the settings, so we have to click on this button and select our application. Okay, closed. So let's open it once again. Click receiver and tap on the search again. Right now we have to wait. Click on this icon. You can connect in two ways. You can scan QR code, but also we can input the password right here. So we have to choose your way. Accept request on Android smartphone, and if you want to send everything, just click on all of these icons and tap on the start. But in my case I will go below for the details, and I will send 3 music files, and I will take 2 songs from Post Malone and also Rise from the League of Legends. Click start, OK. And right now tap on the button, finish, and we can check if it is working. So let's go for the files, click on the audio, and as you can see, here are the songs that we sent from our Android smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.